Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today I've got a clothing haul try-on from the store Duluth. Now what I like about Duluth is it's clothes for working people, so you can actually move in the clothes. They're not necessarily fashion forward, but they're good for people that like working in the garden or like bending over to pick up grandchildren or want to ride their bike to work or are just active people. And so the clothes that I ordered, I'm not sure if I'm a medium or a large anymore, so I ordered one of each and I'll try those on and I can find out what size I am. Some of the clothes I ordered included, this is a skort. And what I like about it, actually, I've had one of these for years, but it's too small for me. And I've been squeezing into it. I think the last 2 years I haven't even tried to squeeze into it. So this year I thought, why not just get some that fit you, Barb? So what I like about this particular skort is it's got pockets, zipper pockets. It's got pockets up there. It's got pockets in the back. Like really secure pockets. And it's even got one of those little pockets back there. Like to hold your hammer or whatever. So, and it's an elastic waist. So I'm going to try those on, see if they fit. I've got a 10 and a 12 of those. Oh, here you go. Here's the 10. This is wet inside. And even the thing is wet. Yikes. I have to wait for those to dry out before I can try them on. And then also am trying on some shirts, some long sleeve shirts, because I need to redo all my long sleeve shirts. Most of them, actually the ones I'm wearing right now aren't too bad because they're actually meant to have thumb holes. But a lot of the shirts that I currently have been washed and worn so long that they pretty much hang down to about here. They're just all stretched out and depleted. So I've ordered a typical, well, the particular style of this Duluth shirt, it's really close fitting. Because what I've found is that when it comes to t-shirts, if I get a boxy look on a curvy figure, I just look like a lump of coal. And so I need to have something that actually fits close to the body. So this has a scoop neck, and it's made out of a cotton fabric. I think it's some sort of cotton and stretch. It says the woman's no yank long sleeve scoop neck t-shirt. And I got that in black, and I got it in pink. So it's kind of a pink, kind of a fuchsia, I guess. And this is also the no yank tank. It's really stretchy. You can move in it. And it's really long, so you can tuck it in or leave it out. And what's the other one? So I've got the black no yank tank. I've got the fuchsia no yank tank. And then this is a style and a color that I haven't gotten before. And this one is called, let's see the name of this one. Say it there. Oh, this is a wool blend. That's dry release performance. And it's comfortably warm without the itch. Moisture wicking, fast drying, superior comfort, premium quality, a dry release t-shirt. This one's in kind of a sage green. And again, I've never tried this kind before, but I like the feel of it. I tend to go towards natural fibers, especially on the shirts, if I can. And I tend to go more towards knits, so they go around my curves instead of, like I said, hanging like a box. So let's try on some shirts. Okay, this is the size large no yank tank. And again, you can stretch, you can move around. Now it's supposed to fit actually a little tighter, so I'm going to try the medium, I'll compare. But I like things to fit loose. So let's take a look. I've got it tucked in to start with. And I love the neckline. And again, you can move, you can stretch. And what I like about it too is it's really long. I'm a petite, but sometimes I just like having like a longer shirt. And I can kind of do the sides so it gives me a little bit of a waistline there. It does tend to be a little long on me, but not as long as the shirts that I currently am wearing that go down to here. And this still has stretch in it. My other shirts have lost their stretch. So this is what the size large no yank tank looks like. Here's the medium, the Duluth medium. It's about there in the shoulders. It's good length there. Feels like it might be a little tight in the bust line though. I'm not sure. See, that's a problem that I have. It's like I want stuff to skim, not be too tight. Yeah, I think I look kind of like a sausage in this. So I think this particular one, I think I want to go for the size large in this and not the medium. Maybe it would work for you, but it just doesn't work for me. But this is the black no yank tank, but it's in medium. You can tell that it's a tighter fit. Still has the scoop neckline, which I like. But you'll see the sleeve actually fits me better, because the no yank tanks are supposed to be close fitting so that you can wear shirts or jackets or sweaters over the top of them. So again, this is a medium. Fits better in the arms. It is tighter all the way around. And this does fit tighter and closer to the body. I'm not sure if I so much am into the tighter look though. What do you think? The large no yank tank in black, as you can see, it's got a longer sleeve. The ends come out to here, which still essentially goes to there, but you can tell there's more room in it. And let's take a look at that. I didn't tuck this one in first, I just left it tucked out. So it's got a looser fit. I don't know, I kind of like the looser fit. This one is called the Dry and Mighty long sleeve crew neck, and it's the one that has a wool blend, and it feels amazing. I like this one. Even though the crew neck isn't my favorite neck, I like scoop neck better. This fabric is amazing. It's stretchy. It's really comfortable. There's no itch to it. You can tell it's kind of a fine. And I usually like finer fabrics because they cling to my body better. And this is really comfortable. Even though it's a longer sleeve, it kind of bunches up there, which is a nice little fancy thing. It drapes like a expensive fabric. And this is in the medium. I think this one fits really well. I like this shirt a lot, but let's try it in large. Okay, this is the size large. I can already tell this is too big. It does not show the shape as much. So I can tell right off the bat that the medium is the right size in this particular one. I changed this shirt to go with the skort because the skort is a summer type of thing. And the reason I like this particular skort, I wore it before when I think I had a size 6. But again, I haven't been able to wear it for years because it's just too tight. I'm not a size 6 anymore. So I ordered a size 10 and a size 12 to see which one fit me best. The size 10 arrived soaking wet, and I didn't realize that till I opened it. So I'm going to let it dry out. But I wanted to try on the size 12 because I wanted to try it on. So this is what the 12 looks like. Let me show you. Gotta go back farther. Oh, here, let me do this. There we go. I like the length. It's a real modest length, and it's got pockets here. It's got a zip pocket here, which goes pretty deep. It's got a pocket back here. This might fit a cell phone. It's got a secret pocket in here. So it's like nobody can steal anything from you. It's got these back pockets here that have flaps over them. So it's a real utilitarian skort, and of course it comes with little shorts underneath it that are of a knit. So this is a size 12 skort. I would usually probably wear it with the t-shirt out. And I have to say, I will wait for the size 10s to dry out and we'll try them on. But I have to say this size 12 is really comfortable. So if after I try on the other one, if it fits me better, I'll go for it. But these are really comfortable, they're really practical, and I probably will keep these. So my conclusions are, yes to the size large no yank tank, and I like its looser fit, but yet it still shows curves. Saying yes to the medium women's dry and mighty long sleeve crew neck, and I love the color, so yes to that. And I'm not sure about the black ones. The medium probably is the right size, but it feels a little tight to me. So I may get the large, but I may just get the large of the fuchsia one. I will keep the size 12 skort, but when the size 10 dries out, I'll give it a shot too. And then what I like about, there's a Duluth within driving distance, so I'll just return what doesn't fit and get a refund. And oh, by the way, if you like these videos, if you would like to subscribe and then click on all notifications, that way you'll get all the different videos that come out. Because I like to do things on clothes, again, not necessarily fashion clothes, but practical clothes. I like to do videos on toys and on my garden. And I've just started recently experimenting with music. So I used to be in choirs in middle school and high school and college, but I haven't really done anything music-wise for years. My husband is a professional musician, and so I've always been a little intimidated about that. But I figured, okay, I don't want to do any performing publicly. But the idea of recording something through iMovie, like how I do this, just kind of for my own personal enjoyment, and then sharing it on Barb Talks. So if anybody else just wants to listen to some low-tech singing, that's kind of fun. So that's something that I'm really enjoying about Barb Talks right now, is that I just get to play. And I appreciate that you're watching and that you maybe like to play too. So thanks for playing today. And thank you for watching Barb Talks.